Imagine a warm summer day. The sun is shining brightly outside. You feel a little bit hungry. You want something cool and delicious, something easy to make for lunch. This dish is just what you need. It is a dream on a plate for summer. These cold sesame peanut noodles are truly wonderful. They are creamy because of the special sauce. They are refreshing because they are served cold. The noodles are soft and lovely to eat. The sauce is a little nutty and a little sweet. Every bite is full of amazing flavor. It is a happy dance for your mouth. This dish is not just tasty. It is also very quick to prepare. You do not need to spend hours cooking. Maybe 20 minutes is all you need. This makes it a perfect choice for busy days. Once you try them, you will want more. Let's learn how to make them together. To make our yummy noodles, we need good things. First, we need noodles, of course. Spaghetti is a good choice, or you can use ramen noodles, or even egg noodles if you like. About 200 grams will be enough. These noodles will soak up all the sauce. They will become soft and tasty. Choose noodles that you like to eat. Simple is always best. Next, we need some fresh vegetables. Carrots are very good for this dish. 1 big carrot, peeled and cut. Cut it into thin, small sticks, like little orange matchsticks. We also need cucumber for freshness. Half a cucumber, also cut into sticks. These vegetables add a nice crunch. They also add bright, happy colors. For our special peanut sauce, we need peanut butter. About 3 big spoons of creamy peanut butter. We also need soy sauce for salty flavor. 2 spoons of light soy sauce and some warm water to mix it all. First, let's cook our noodles. Take a big pot of water. Add a little salt to the water. Put the pot on the stove. Let the water get very hot and bubbly. When the water is boiling, add your noodles. Cook them like the package says. Usually it takes about 8 to 10 minutes. We want them soft, but not too soft. While the noodles are cooking, we can prepare our vegetables. We have our carrots cut into little sticks. We will blanch them very quickly. Blanching means cooking them in hot water for a very short time. This makes them a little bit soft, but still crunchy and bright in color. When the noodles are almost ready, add the carrot sticks. Add them to the pot with the noodles. Let them cook for just 1 minute. Then we must cool everything down fast. Prepare a big bowl of very cold water. You can add some ice cubes too. This will stop the cooking process quickly. Now, drain the noodles and carrots. The cucumber sticks are already fresh and crunchy, so they need no cooking. Making the magic peanut sauce. Now for the best part, the magic peanut sauce. This sauce is what makes the noodles so special. It's very easy to make this sauce. You will need a small bowl. In this bowl, we will mix all our sauce ingredients. It will look like a lovely, creamy dream. This sauce is full of flavor. It is nutty and a little bit sweet. First, put the peanut butter in the bowl. 3 big spoons of creamy peanut butter. Then add the soy sauce for that salty taste. 2 spoons will be just right. Add 1 spoon of rice vinegar. This gives a nice, zesty, tangy feeling. And do not forget the sesame oil. 1 spoon of sesame oil for wonderful aroma. It smells so good, like toasted nuts. Next, we add a little sweetness. 1 spoon of honey or maple syrup. This balances all the flavors nicely. Your magic sauce is ready. The beautiful bowl and sharing the joy. Now it is time to bring everything together. This is the exciting part of our cooking. Take a big, beautiful serving bowl. Put your cooked and cooled noodles in the bowl. Add the blanched carrot sticks. Add the fresh, crunchy cucumber sticks too. Look at all the lovely colors together. The pale noodles, the orange carrots, the green cucumber. It already looks so inviting and fresh. Pour your wonderful creamy peanut sauce over the noodles and vegetables. Pour all of it. We want every noodle to be coated. Use your hands or 2 big spoons. Gently mix everything together. Toss the noodles and vegetables in the sauce. Make sure the sauce covers everything nicely. Be gentle so the noodles do not break. The dish will start to smell amazing. Nutty, fresh, and so very good. Your cold sesame peanut noodles are now ready to eat. Sprinkle some chopped peanuts on top, or some toasted sesame seeds for more flavor. Enjoy the dish. Recipe is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.